Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for premium headphone reviews, spatial audio deep dives, Apple ecosystem walkthroughs, and high-fidelity sound tests. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at Apple's flag-bearer over-ear headphones powered by the H2 chip, the Apple AirPods Max 2 in Midnight. For audio enthusiasts, frequent flyers, remote professionals, and iOS power users seeking studio-grade acoustic performance, best-in-class noise isolation, and seamless ecosystem switching without giving up luxury materials, finding the ultimate over-ear headphone can be tough. The Apple AirPods Max 2 addresses this directly by combining H2 processing power with native USB-C lossless audio. At the core of the AirPods Max 2 are dual Apple H2 headphone chips mounted in each ear cup. Replacing the older H1 silicon, the H2 chips drive next-generation computational audio algorithms, enabling vastly superior active noise cancellation, adaptive audio adjustments, and real-time environment processing. Active noise cancellation delivers up to 1.5 times more noise blocking compared to the original generation. Whether you are dealing with low-frequency airplane engine hums, train noise, or busy coffee shop chatter, the ANC creates an instant envelope of quiet so you can lock into your music or calls. Sound performance is powered by a custom dynamic driver and a high dynamic range amplifier, producing deep, punchy bass, natural vocals, and crystal-clear highs. The Max 2 also supports 24-bit, 48 kHz lossless audio over a wired USB-C connection for critical listening. Smart software capabilities bring intuitive convenience to daily wear, featuring adaptive audio that dynamically blends transparency mode and ANC based on your surroundings. Conversation awareness automatically lowers your music volume as soon as you start speaking to someone nearby. Live translation integration offers real-time voice translation right through your headphones. Powered by Apple Intelligence, you can converse across different languages smoothly during travel or international business meetings. Physical controls and ergonomics maintain Apple's signature industrial aesthetic, featuring a tactile digital crown for precise volume adjustments and media controls, breathable knit mesh canopy headband, and soft memory foam ear cushions in a sleek midnight finish. Comfort stays consistent during multi-hour listening sessions. Battery performance provides up to 20 hours of continuous playback with ANC and spatial audio turned on. Charging is handled via universal USB-C, with a quick 5-minute charge giving you around an hour and a half of listening time. Featuring dual H2 chips, 1.5x upgraded ANC, USB-C lossless audio, adaptive audio, and live translation in a premium midnight aluminum frame, the Apple AirPods Max 2 sets a high bar for over-ear wireless audio. If you enjoyed this Apple AirPods Max 2 technical overview and feature breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Are you picking up the Max 2 for daily travel, desk work, or lossless audio listening?